When we talk about the probability of precipitation, that's the number, the percentage that you see at the bottom of the 7-day. Let's talk about what that means. It is not how much it's going to rain. It is not how long it is going to rain. It is simply the chance that you will see rain at any given location where you are in the area. So what do we mean by that? Well, let's take this example. We have a line of rain extends all the way from Northern Virginia down into North Carolina. It swings through everywhere in our viewing area. It gets rain, even if it's very briefly, and it could be very light. You might have 5 or 10 minutes of rain, let's say. But if everybody gets it, an accurate forecast ahead of time would have had a 100% pop or probability because everybody would have ended up seeing rain. Now let's take the flip side of that. Let's take an area that's aligned north-south and maybe moving to the north. In this case, it's the same areas that are getting rain virtually all day long. So if we were to say 10% chance of rain and 10% of the area gets it, but it rains all day, a lot of people think, that was a horrible forecast. But it was only 10% of the area, so that would actually be a perfect forecast. In this case, it rained very heavily, but just in a few spots. So that's why you can't just use these numbers that talk about the probability. Here's another 100% probability, but a lot different than the first example because it rains much of the day and it rains everywhere. So again, you have to factor that in. So what does a 20% chance of rain really mean? Well, we hear this all the time. Why is it rain? Two people will say, why is it raining? It's only a 20% chance. They never get it right. On the other hand, the 8 other people are saying, wait a minute, why isn't it raining? They said there'd be a chance of rain today. They are never right. So that's what we get when we talk about the chance of rain.